In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Sid Meier's Civilization VII on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can download it through another website. So go to Steam and after that click on the Steam link. Now we need to locate the game, so type in the game Sid Meier's Civilization VII, so number 7. Select the game and we scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is very expensive on Steam. But don't worry, we got a workaround for that. Now what you need to do is basically go to the link in the description, click on that where it says find game here, and once you have done that you will be redirected to this website. Now we will look for the same game over here and click on search. Once you have done that, select games on the left side, and after that we need to sort by price lowest first. Now what you need to do is scroll a little bit down till the first game will appear which is available in your country, and then look for the cheapest one. So here is the cheapest so far, and as you can see this is already 20 euros cheaper than in the Steam store. What you need to do is click on the game. Once you have decided to buy this game, purchase it through this website, and once you have done that you will receive a key for Steam, so you can activate this game in Steam and download it and play it through the Steam website. So after that you will receive an email confirmation with the key to activate the game in Steam, and that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games on Steam. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!